my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Belinda. Beauties, today I'm going to be doing a somewhat review and also show you how I use the LED lights from Dollar Tree. But before that we get started, I just want to ask if you could please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also if you'll click that bell icon right there in the corner so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. Okay, beauties, I don't know if y'all have noticed, but Dollar Tree is now carrying these new and improved push light. I had hauled these a while back, and as you know, Dollar Tree carries these LED push button lights. Now, I've always loved to use them. I purchase them all the time, but I noticed that some of the older LED push lights that I have, they were flimsy, and every time that I would push the light, they would feel a little bit wobbly and sometimes they would come off. But I purchased these because it said that it was new and improved. So I wanted to try these out, and let me tell you, these work like a charm, especially for what I like to use them for. And what that is under my cabinet. I like to have some of the lights come down from under the cabinets down onto my counter. I just like how that looks in the evenings when I've turned off all the lights off from my kitchen and the kitchen is closed. I like to turn those on and just have that a little bit of light so it's not so dark in the kitchen, especially if I'm just gonna go in there to get a glass of water or juice, or just, just when you want to go into the kitchen and just grab something to drink. Let's go to my kitchen so that I can show you how well these lights work. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, so I want to show you up close the push lights that I'm talking about. For those of you that have not seen these at the Dollar Tree, these are the ones that I was talking about. And they use 3 AA batteries. And they also come with these self-adhesive tabs, which are very convenient. All you do is just peel off that label and then you just stick them directly onto whatever surface that you want them on, which makes it very convenient. As you can see, it's daylight right now, and I just wanted you to compare how it looks during the day as well as in the nighttime. But as you can see, they do give off a lot of light. I have this one section in my kitchen that I have labeled my coffee bar, and I just thought that these lights would look really nice and just lighting up my little coffee station. Okay, so this is in the nighttime with all my lights turned off my kitchen, and as you can see, it lights up my coffee bar really well. And let me just take you under the cabinet so that you can see where I have placed these lights. I always wanted to have lighting underneath my cabinets, but I didn't want to go through the expense, plus also the hassle of having to wire underneath my cabinets. So I think that these push button lights work beautifully and for a very cheap price. Okay, beauties, well, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, and I will see you on my next video. So bye-bye and God bless. Bye.